Hi there, today is the 31st of December and we're about to say goodbye to 1 year and to welcome in 2023. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to just publish a few clips, some footage, some scrambles that I've really enjoyed over the last 12 months. So this isn't everything I've done, it's just a few highlights of what I've been getting up to in 2022. So I hope you enjoy this. December 2022 was a delightful month with plenty of snow across much of the region. I took full advantage of the weather with a trek along a snow-covered heather terrace and onto a challenging scramble up an icy Bristly Ridge. The views from the summit of Glyder Fach certainly didn't disappoint, and my only regret is that the weather isn't like this more often. December also saw me make my way up the south ridge of Tryfan for a video I've since published describing what I feel is the easiest route up this impressive 900-meter tall mountain in the Glyder. If you've never summited Tryfan before, do check out that guide on my YouTube channel. I also had the opportunity to fly my drone over the summit, and as you can see here, the footage is absolutely incredible and breathtaking. September saw me take on the popular but challenging Cneifion Arete scramble, which is a grade 3 route with a steep, awkward first section, which eases into a longer outing that's widely considered one of the best scrambles in the United Kingdom. The weather was perfect, the rock was dry, and as you can see, the view down the Ogwen Valley was absolutely stunning. August was also a busy month as I took to the Glyder once again, with a sunny stomp up the east ridge of Garn. The lower grass and heather section soon gave way to a challenging upper section at grade 2. This quieter route led me to the summit of Garn, where I then descended via the popular Devil's Kitchen route. In August, I also tackled the short but sweet Pinnacle Ridge, which is a grade 2 scramble only a stone's throw away from the A5 road. This is a perfect scramble to add on to the end of a day where you still have a little bit of energy left in the tank. It's also popular with novice climbers as well, and of course the views going down the Ogwen Valley are exactly as you'd expect. Absolutely amazing down there. In the summer, I also took on the grade 3 scramble up Dolmen Ridge on Glyder Fach. This route has a challenging crux section with plenty of exposure, and steep drops all round. The scramble then eases slightly onto a ridge with plenty of interest all the way up to the summit, where of course the views down over the lake and into the valley are absolutely exceptional. In July, I scrambled up Bastow Buttress, which was bathed in the morning sun. This fun and exciting Grade 2 route is one of the best ways to get on the North Ridge to Tryfan, where there are numerous routes one can try, including a direct route up to the summit. June saw me tackle the Idwal Staircase. This route is normally washed with water and slippery, but in the summer there are a few windows of opportunity to give it a go. The wide roof overhang protects the staircase and creates a unique atmosphere for climbers and scramblers. As a continuation, I also tackled the adjacent Idwal Buttress in the same day as well. Going back to spring 2022, I scrambled up Glyder Fach on the west side of Tryfan. This less popular Grade 2 route is well worth the effort, offering perfect rock conditions on the way up to the North Ridge. And as you can see from the view in the background, the weather was absolutely perfect on this day. It was an ideal spring day that I visited. Going all the way back to January 2022, this saw me take on a challenge. I went up the North Ridge of Tryfan in 50-mile-an-hour winds with snow and hail thrown in as well. I wanted to experience the mountains in some adverse weather, and I certainly got more than I bargained for. To my surprise, when I reached the summit, there were actually 2 other people sat there having their lunch, and what can I say? At least I'm not the only crazy person that's out there. So that's it. We're only a few hours away from welcoming in 2023. I really hope you enjoyed that footage. All that's left for me to say is I wish you all a happy new year, and if you are in the mountains in the 2023, I hope that you keep safe and that you have lots of fun. And of course, for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and you'll be rewarded with lots of content like this.